iPhone showing no service after the iOS 27 beta? Work through these fixes in order from a 15-second radio reset to a full rollback. Fix 1. Turn on airplane mode and leave it on for at least 15 seconds. Then turn it off and watch the status bar. If it stays on no service, restart the phone. Fix 2. Update your carrier settings. Join Wi-Fi first, since the check needs a connection. Then open Settings, General, About, and install the update if a prompt appears. It takes less than a minute. Fix 3. Reload your SIM. For a physical SIM, power off and reseat the tray. For an eSIM, toggle the line off under Settings, Cellular, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Fix 4. Reset network settings under Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. That wipes saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN profiles, but your photos, messages, and apps stay untouched. Fix 5. Roll back to iOS 26. That means a full erase and restore through recovery mode, and backups made on the beta won't restore to iOS 26. Budget an hour and a computer. Fix 6. Report the bug in Feedback Assistant while the problem is active. The public beta opens in July, and a spare device is the safer host for any beta. Service restored. The full 9 fix guide and frequently asked questions are on fone.tips.